Right, so this is Green Nature Diamond, one of the biggest hotels in Marmaris, and now we're going to show you from Green Nature Diamond to Blueport Mall. You've got Medieval Watch just below it, Gazelle just up here on the left, McDonald's and Migros across the road. And now we're going to show you from Green Nature Diamond to Blueport Mall.
Manchester, you are the best.
Oh. Morning, mate. Morning, merhaba.
Morning.
Show both sides of the beach and drive back to it. Yeah. I'll do this now. Please let me go. No problem.
Follow me.
I know the way.
You want to go past Barbers and everything?
Anyone in? We're coming back. 2 minutes. We're coming in for a shave. Thank you. Dolphins. So that was Marmaris, from Green Nature Diamond Hotel to Blueport Mall to Chico's. All right, Chico.
Chicota!
All the details for this villa will be in the description on Dad Loves Food YouTube. Check them out, ask all the inquiries on their WhatsApp number and get the price for next year, 2025. Listen, a massive thanks for watching me, Dad Loves Food, on YouTube or over on Facebook or TikTok. But whilst you're here, click that subscribe button, the bell, and subscribe to Dad Loves Food here on YouTube.